Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video on the reaction carrier, or sorry, rear gear set for a Turbo 400, and it has to do with the rear carrier for your van. Basically, this thing floats around and it's normal. And if you can see here, you probably got 100th hour or more there play. So if you're running a trans brake, that can be an issue because this is your reverse band when it clamps onto this carrier. So there's a couple ways you can go about it. I'll just take this center support off, set him down there. And this is the rear carrier here. So we're going to pull him off. Torqued bearing's going to be there. It sits basically on here, and the center support rides on there. And it has to do with the clearance between this washer and this front gear set here. That's where the play is. So there's a couple ways you can go about it. You can get this area where this washer is milled, and you can take a turbo TH400 trans pump Torrington bearing. There's a kit you can buy, and it comes with shims. So you can mill this area, put that bearing in here, and then you have the shims to set your clearances. And then there's a second way you can go about it. And I'll show you. So basically, these are shims made by Sonax. You guys can see the part number, hope you can see it there. And there's 10 in the pack, and they're 5 thou each. So basically, these are the shims when you take them out of the bag. So there's 5, 10, so there's 20 thou. I'm not sure how much play I got. I never measured it, but we're going to go ahead and stack 4 on and see what happens. So we'll put 4 on, and then we'll stick that carrier back on, and then we'll see what we got. So basically they just fit right on the washer. Go ahead and put your washer on. And those will fit right down in there. And then you can take your carrier, put it back on. Just got the Torrington bearing shell there. So that's got to come off because the gear set's kind of spline into that sun gear. And then you can take those, put your bearing back on. Make sure you got your race. Sorry. Make sure you have your race for the center support, and then you can go ahead and put that all back together, and we'll just check it. Been eliminated quite a bit with 4, so you can go ahead and shim it that way and take that play out. And again, if you're running a tranny brake, I would suggest doing that. If you don't, it's not necessary, but just a neat little fact that not a lot of people know, that rear carrier does float around, and it's normal. And your band clamps there, so naturally on the tranny brake, it's clamping and this thing's floating around. Not good. Anyways, just wanted to show you a quick video about that. Thanks.